Hey guys, guess what? I have a band that I've not heard before. I'm at a 4th of July party on 4th of July. Somebody says, have you heard the band Stick Figure? It's like my favorite band. I'm like, no, I've never heard of them. But guess what? I like to react to new bands. So guess what? Stick Figure. I have no idea who these people are, but we're going to hear what they sound like. Okay? All right, Stick Figure. This song is called Sound of the Sea. I just did a YouTube search and grabbed a song. So let's hear. Go! Oh, nice. Wow. Turn it up. Oh, yeah. Oh. It's like a reggae sound.
I'm wishing right now I was fishing.
I wish I was fishing.
I'm thinking, but my mind's not listening. I never felt so far away. I've never lived before today.
Oh my goodness. This is also, oh my goodness. This is so good. I love how he says, I am thinking, but my mind is not listening. Okay. I got to keep going. This is so good though. Go.
It's been a while since I've seen your face. It's been a while. Time to turn the page. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna feel the way I am. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Back to the way it was.
Yes.
Got a feeling, and this feeling won't go away.
Yes.
Not leaving, I'm waiting for a brighter day. And I believe it, that good things are coming our way. So keep dreaming, I'm feeling like I'm dreaming always.
This song is hypnotic, man. It's hypnotic. I could just sit back and listen to this. Like, I'm so happy right now. I could be listening to this. I could be listening to this at a party and love it. I could listen to this sitting in my jacuzzi and love it. I could be sitting in my bed, laying in my bed, falling asleep, and I could love it. And I could even be in a club or a concert, jumping up and down and love it. From every spectrum, from sleeping to partying, I could love this song. This music is hypnotic in that way. It's so awesome. I don't know if this is a one-man show, a Stick Figure, or if it's a band or what. But I'm going to listen to the rest. I don't know if I'm going to stop it because I just get myself into a trance here. So let's hear. Go.
It never felt so strange to me. And my guitar is all
Wow.
Yeah, I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
I wanna go home.
Feel the way out there.
I wanna feel.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
I am home. I am home.
Back to the way it was.
Yes. Yes.
And just a little bit longer. The music making us stronger.
Wow.
And just a little bit longer. Our music making us stronger.
Where is this?
Just a little bit longer. Our music making us stronger. Just a little bit longer. In the eyes of the world.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my. So much positivity in that song. So, it's interesting because I don't know reggae all that much. It has that reggae vibe, but there's like electronica or trance music mixed in, if that makes sense. And I don't know if reggae has that kind of stuff in it, but it was very chill, relaxed, exhilarating, fun, happy, and I don't know what else. I just felt like when he was saying, I want to go home, I'm thinking, I'm home. I'm home in my mind, right? Like you were at peace in your mind, which is like being at home. It's peaceful, relaxing, exhilarating, and fun. And that's what I felt in that song. So, until the next stick figure, peace.